Alright, I'm going to show you how to crochet a sea turtle. I'm using Red Heart with Love in Lettuce, Red Heart Super Saver in Coffee, size G hook or 4.25mm hook, a yarn needle, size 10mm plastic safety eyes, and some polyfill. Alright, I think the most difficult thing will be the head, so that's what I'll start with. I'm going to be doing a magic circle. Do 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, you're going to do an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, now you're going to do 4 rounds with 18 single crochet in each round. Alright, now I'm going to be doing a single crochet and a decrease 4 times. And then single crochet for the rest of the round. Alright, so over that first area of decreases, I'm going to be doing 4 decreases. And then single crochet for the rest of the round. Alright, I just fold it in half so that the decreases are on the front. That's just so that I can center the eyes. Alright, I've added the eyes 5 rows down and 5 spaces apart. Alright, I'm going to single crochet all the way around for a total of 10 in the round. Alright, I just stuffed the head. I'm going to kind of just be stuffing as I go. Alright, for this next round, I'm going to be doing a decrease with 3 stitches, but I'm going to want to center that in the middle of the eyes. For me, to do that, I'm going to have to do 1 single crochet. Alright, so now I'm going to do a decrease with 3 stitches. And then a single crochet for the rest of the round. Alright, single crochet all the way around for a total of 8 in the round. Alright, I'm going to center 3 half double crochet in the front. By front I mean center of the eyes. And then single crochet for the rest of the round. Alright, for this last round I'm going to single crochet all the way around for a total of 8 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, to make the front legs, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. I'm going to be doing an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Now I'm going to be doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the back legs, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Now I'm going to be doing a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 9 in the round. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the tail, I'm going to chain 3. In the second from the hook, I'm going to be doing a slip stitch. In the last stitch, I'm going to be doing a single crochet. Do a chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for the shell, I'm going to be doing 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Alright, I'm going to be doing an increase in each stitch all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, do a single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 18 in the round. Alright, I'm going to do 4 rows with 18 single crochet in each row. Alright, I'm doing a single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 12 in the round. Alright, I've stuffed the body and I'm going to decrease all the way around for a total of 6. Do a slip stitch, chain 1, break off your yarn. Alright, for all of the legs, you're going to fold them in half and then sew them closed. Keep all of the tails on so you can sew them to the body. Alright, and I'm going to sew the head onto the shell. I am going to be sewing them onto the row where the 12 stitches were. This part I think is the most difficult to figure out because when I did it wrong, it was very top heavy, so I guess it depends on practice if you want your items to not be top heavy. Alright, I'm going to sew on the front legs. I'm going to have the magic circle on the front legs facing out. Alright, now the back legs, I'm going to be sewing so that the magic circle is facing out. Alright, and then last I'm going to sew the tail in between the back legs. Alright, and there you go.